Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an incredible product that I believe stands out in the world of healthy eating, the Wild Planet Organic Roasted Chicken Breast. If you're on the hunt for the best cooked chicken breast that's also organic, then you're in for a treat. As more people become health conscious, the demand for high-quality protein sources is on the rise. Wild Planet provides a solution with their organic roasted chicken breast, which is not only skinless and boneless but also comes with the assurance of being 100% organic. That's right, every bite of this delicious chicken is crafted from USDA-certified organic chicken. Now, you may wonder what exactly makes this product special. First off, let's talk about the flavor. This chicken is roasted to perfection, and it captures the essence of real, wholesome chicken without any unnecessary additives. If you're tired of bland, processed options, this is a game changer. You can taste the quality in each serving. Plus, it's packed in a convenient 5-ounce can, making it easy to store and to throw into various dishes. Another standout feature is that there is no salt added in the process. This is particularly beneficial for individuals monitoring their sodium intake or simply looking to maintain a healthier lifestyle. Whether you're adding it to a salad, stirring it into a hearty soup, or preparing a quick taco filling, you have the freedom to season it exactly how you like, without any pre-added salt influencing the final taste. Let's take a moment to highlight the nutritional aspects. Wild Planet's organic roasted chicken breast is not only gluten-free but is also high in protein, making it an excellent choice for anyone pursuing fitness goals or simply seeking to add more lean protein to their diet. Each serving provides a satisfying amount of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and overall vitality. While enjoying all these benefits, you can also feel good about making an environmentally conscious choice. Wild Planet emphasizes sustainability in their sourcing. The brand is committed to protecting ocean health and maintaining biodiversity. Their practices ensure that the animals are raised with care and no harmful chemicals are used. So, when you choose Wild Planet, you're not just eating healthy, you're making a positive impact on the planet's health as well. Now, how about ease of use? The packaging is designed for convenience. Simply open the can, and you're ready to go. No cooking required. This is perfect for busy individuals or families looking for quick meal solutions without sacrificing quality. Imagine being able to prepare a tasty chicken salad, chicken wrap, or even a pasta dish in just minutes, all with organic, expertly cooked chicken. In our fast-paced lives, convenience and quality often don't go hand in hand, but with this Wild Planet organic roasted chicken breast, they definitely do. You can stock up on them, knowing that each can is filled with goodness waiting to be enjoyed. To wrap it up, Wild Planet's organic roasted chicken breast stands out as a superior option for anyone seeking the best cooked chicken breast available on the market today. With its organic certification, no added salt, high protein content, and commitment to sustainability, it checks all the boxes for health-conscious consumers. So why not give it a try? You could transform your meals into something extraordinary, all while knowing you're making a healthy and sustainable choice. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on quality products. Stay healthy, and see you next time. The music fades out as the camera zooms out, showing the product surrounded by fresh, vibrant ingredients once more, with the Product Critique logo appearing on screen.